Meet Nick DiGiovanni, a culinary sensation who knows how to engage his audience through innovation and creativity. As the youngest finalist on MasterChef, Nick showcased his talent and charmed viewers around the world. After gaining fame, he transformed his passion into an impressive online presence across YouTube and TikTok. Nick's videos are more than just recipes. They educate viewers about ingredients and cooking techniques. His cookbook, Knife Drop, reveals inventive recipes that make cooking approachable for everyone. Nick also boasts several Guinness World Records, showcasing his extraordinary culinary feats and challenges. He emphasizes that cooking is for everyone, promoting comfort and creativity in the kitchen. Nick has cultivated a diverse community of aspiring home cooks and food enthusiasts around the globe. His engaging content resonates with busy individuals seeking efficient and delicious meal solutions. Join us in exploring Nick DiGiovanni's culinary journey and discover how cooking can be fun.